I'm Celeste Andrews with GetHealthyCarolina.com and a licensed Food for Life instructor with the Physicians Committee. And today we're going to be making tofu mayonnaise, a lovely vegan mayonnaise that has no oil and is low in fat, has 0 cholesterol and 0 saturated fat.
Every journey starts somewhere. Let your journey to optimum health start here. Transform your health with the power of plants with Get Healthy Carolina.
I'm not a fan of mayonnaise. I needed some mayonnaise for one of my Food for Life recipes, and I was surprised to find that even the vegan mayonnaises that you can find on the market are full of oil, and that's not necessarily something that's healthy or that we want in our diet. And of course the non-vegan mayonnaises not only have oil, but they also have eggs, which are full of cholesterol. So this is a lovely homemade vegan mayonnaise. It's made with silken tofu as the main ingredient, and I think you'll find it very delightful and very tasty. The star of this recipe is a box of Mori-Nu silken tofu. You can get this at Sprouts and several other grocery stores. We're going to open the tofu and put it right in our mini food processor here. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon and a half, otherwise known as half a tablespoon, of maple syrup, just to give it a little bit of sweetness, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and that, along with the lemon juice, is going to give it that signature tangy flavor that mayonnaise has. A half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to put the lid on that. We've blended it up for just a minute or so, and we end up with this lovely, tangy, beautiful vegan mayo. So there we have it, our lovely vegan mayonnaise, no oil, low fat, 0 cholesterol. Enjoy.